Hello everyone, today we are going to create this gaming text effect. Create a text layer. And change fill color to white. Now press Ctrl+D and resize the text size. Create a new layer. And create a shape using polygonal lasso. Fill with dark color and change opacity to 11%. Now hold Alt and create a clipping mask. Now go to blending options. Add stroke, inner glow and drop shadow. Select both layers and convert to Smart Object. Done. Hope you like the tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for more.